Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're signed in and ready. Start by searching for the archived message using focus terms. Type in all and a keyword or label, archive plus the sender's name to narrow results. Once done, scan the list. Archived mail won't show the inbox label, so look for messages without that tag. Make sure to adjust your search if you don't see it. Use date ranges or exact phrases to force the match. This immediately finds the message without changing any settings. Now that you found the message, select it by checking the box or opening it fully. On desktop, click the Move to Inbox button and envelope icon or Move menu, so Gmail reassigns the inbox label instantly. On mobile, tap the three-dot menu and pick Move to Inbox. It's the same action behind the scenes. Once moved, Gmail syncs across devices, which means the message will reappear in your inbox immediately. Make sure you confirm the inbox label is present to verify success. Finish by refreshing your inbox and syncing the app so the restored message shows up. If you still don't see it, search All Mail. Sometimes filters or forwarding rules archive automatically, so inspect settings filters and blocked addresses. Also check that Conversation View isn't hiding the message inside a thread. If problems persist, uncheck any filter that has archive action and repeat Move to Inbox. That prevents future auto-archiving. A quick settings tweak resolves most issues without data loss.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.